Rear light out on your Hyundai Sonata? Don't pay a shop to replace it. I'll show you exactly how to change it yourself in just a few minutes. First, turn the car off and open the trunk. Move to the side of the trunk behind the light you're replacing. Remove the access cover to reach the back of the tail light assembly. Once the cover is out of the way, locate the bulb socket for the rear light. Turn the socket counterclockwise and carefully pull it straight out of the housing. Now remove the old bulb from the socket. Before installing the replacement, make sure your new bulb matches the old one. Install the new bulb securely into the socket. Place the socket back into the tail light housing and turn it clockwise until it locks into position. Reinstall the access cover, and that's all there is to it. Turn the lights on and make sure the new bulb is working properly. If this helped, subscribe for more Hyundai and Kia DIY repairs.